Hello students, we are solving the IB Math EA HL past paper questions and currently we are solving the IB Math EA HL May 2023 paper 1 time zone 1 past paper. Today we will be solving the question number 2 of this paper and you will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of this paper. That is the first question of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlist in my channel NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. And this is a common question for the SL and the HL level students. For the SL students, it is question 3 and for the HL students, it is question 2. So without any further delay, let us start answering this question. The maximum mark is 6. On a Monday at an amusement park, a sample of 40 visitors was randomly selected as they were leaving the park. They were asked how many times that day they had been on a ride called the Dragon. The information is summarized in the following frequency table. Number of times on the Dragon 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, maximum of 4 times and the corresponding frequency. It can be assumed that this sample is representative of all visitors to the park for the following day. Okay, this is Monday, next day is Tuesday. Subpart A for the following day, Tuesday, estimate the first subpart of subpart A says the probability that a randomly selected visitor will ride the dragon. Okay, so subpart A, it is probability. This one is I. Okay, probability will be equal to favorable outcomes over total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes is what? Number of times on the dragon is 0. That means we will definitely not be taking this one. The probability that a randomly selected visitor will ride the dragon. So we cannot take this one. These will not be riding the dragon. Okay. So favorable outcomes will be equal to 16 plus 13 plus 2 plus 3. And it is without calculator. This question is from paper 1, so you cannot take the help of the calculator. You will not be having the calculator. You have to add these. You can add them, but another shortcut is you know the total frequency. The total number of visitors is 40. So 6 plus 16 plus 13 plus 2 plus 3 will be equal to 40. If you know this, then you can just subtract this 6 from this 40 to get the sum total of these 4 numbers. Or else you can add these 16 plus 13 is 16 plus 3 is 19 plus 10 is 29 plus 2 is 31 plus 3 is 34. Okay. And divided by total number of outcomes is 6 plus 16 plus 13 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. The numerator is 34. To that, we are adding the 6 to get 40 in the denominator. So this is 34 over 40. Or you can write this as 17 over 20. Okay. So this is the answer for the subpart I. Coming to II. The expected number of times a visitor will ride the dragon. Expected number is nothing but the mean. Okay. Expected number is equal to, it is simply the mean. Okay. So you know the formula for the mean for a frequency table. It is sigma xi fi over sigma fi. Okay. So this is equal to 0 times 6 plus 1 times 0 times 6. 1 times 16, 2 times 13, 3 times 2 and 4 times 3. Okay. So 1 times 16 plus 2 times 13 plus 3 times 2 plus 4 times 3. Over sigma Fi we know it is equal to 40. Okay, so this is 0 times 6 is 0. 1 times 16 is 16. 2 times 13 is 26. 3 times 2 is 6. And 4 times 3 is 12. 16 plus 20 is 36 plus 6 is 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. Okay, so if you can do it orally, fine, or else you do it, you just calculate. You have to calculate because you will not be getting the calculator. It is 6 over 4 or 3 over 2, or you can write it as 1.5. Okay, so this is the answer. 1.5. Expected number of times a visitor will be riding the dragon is 1.5. Okay. It is known that 1,000 visitors will attend the amusement park on Tuesday. The dragon can carry a maximum of 10 people each time it runs. Okay. Subpart B, estimate the minimum number of times the dragon must run to satisfy the demand containing 2 marks. And we are having the expected value of each visitor riding the dragon to be equal to 1.5. Okay. So, since each visitor is expected to ride the dragon 1.5 times, therefore, the total number of dragon rides for 1,000 visitors is equal to 1,000 times 1.5, which is equal to 1,500. Okay. And the dragon can take 10 people each time. Therefore, the dragon must run for 1,500 divided by 10, that is 150 times. Okay. So thank you for watching. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math ASL and HL level tutor, and I tutor students from both within India and outside India. And I offer both one-on-one and small group online tutoring services to my students. In case you're liking my explanations, please to give this video a like and please to share this video with your friends so that even they can get benefited by watching my videos. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me to make more math videos for you. We meet again very soon in our next session. We will be solving the next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.